Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. So in the previous video, we have discussed how we can create one GET API and how we can fetch the details from the database using the GET API, but we don't have any record in the database. So in this video, we are going to create the POST API and insert some record in the database. So let's get it started for that. So now let me go to the IntelliJ and yeah. So this is the application that we have developed. Now here in the controller we need to create one post mapping. Okay, so before creating the post mapping, let me go to the product service interface and then create one method here. So let me copy this and let's say we are inserting one record. So let's say the name of method is insert product into DB into database. Okay, and it is returning the product itself. And here we are passing the product as a request body. So let me try to pass the product here. So we have created this method. Now let me copy this and go to the service implementation class and then try to override this method. So you can see we are getting this error. So you can come to here and do the implement method. It will select this newly created method and then click on OK. So you can see it has implemented here. Now what we need to do with the help of this product repository instance, we need to call the JPA provided method. So let me copy this, come here, and then we need to insert the DB. We need to insert the product into the database. So for that, we have the method which is save. So we are going to use that. So let's say it is save, and we need to pass the product here. Okay. So, and it is returning the product after that. Now, let me go to the controller and let me try to copy this get mapping and create one post mapping here. So come down, let me change this mapping to the post mapping and let me try to come here and then do some mapping here for the post, and I'm just providing it as a insert. So to access this post mapping, we need to go for this class level mappings API product and after that insert. Okay, now let me try to change the name of the mapping here. So the post mapping, we have the method, let's say insert product into DB, something like that in DB. Okay, and let me try to call the method that we have created inside the product service. So the method is insert product into the database. Okay, and then here we need to pass the product as a request body. So for that we have the annotation called request body. Okay, we are going to use this request body and here we are passing the product, okay, as a request body. So whenever we are going to insert any product from the postman, then we need to pass the this product as a form of body in the postman so that it will come here to this URL and then it will insert it into the database through the method that we have created. So let me pass this instance of the product here. Okay, so we are good now. Now let me try to make this application up and then try to access this API and insert some details into the database. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. It will make our application up and then let me try to open the postman then, and we need to hit the post mapping API. Before that, I will try to hit the get mapping to show that there is no record in the database, and then after that, we'll try to insert couple of records. Okay, so just wait for that. Our application is up. Okay, our application is up on the port number 9000, and coming to the post API, it is insert, and for the get, it is all. So now come here. Let me try to copy this. Come to the postman and let me try to remove this. Our application is up on the port number 9000 and we need to paste it here. And the method is get. Okay, just send it. So you can, okay, okay. So for the get, it is all. So let me try to send it again. So you can see we have no record in our database. Now let me try to insert couple of record here. So we are going to access the post mapping, change this method type to post, and come to the body and provide the request body here. So let me try to do that. So come to the IntelliJ and then let me try to go to the product and see what all the variables or the attributes we have created. So we have created the ID, name, price, and the quantity. So ID is auto generated. We are going to provide the name, price, and the quantity in the body. So for that, let me try to come here to the postman. Let me try to provide the name. Okay. And let's say name, and name of the product is, let's say, mobile. Okay. And price, and let's say the price is 10,000. Okay. And then we have the quantity. So let's say the quantity is 1. Okay. Now let me try to hit this API and then see what is working or not. So you can see we have inserted one record in our database. Let me try to hit the git mapping to see if our record is inserted into the database or not. So just send it. You can see we are able to see one record. Okay, now let me try to go to the post and insert some other record as well. Okay, so let's say the second product is laptop, and let's say the price is 60,000. Okay, and the quantity is 1. Now let me try to send it and see. Yeah, we are able to insert the laptop as well. Now let me try to go to the git and let me try to see all the product from our database. So you can see we have inserted this two product in our database and we are able to fetch it from the database. So now in the next video, I will try to create one React application and then show you how you can create that. And then after that, we'll try to consume this API in our React. So this is about this video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.